Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 74th Miss Universe competition. This is Nell 2204 and don't forget to like and subscribe. Good day pageant lovers, update for our 74th Miss Universe competition. Number 1 at nangunguna ang pambato ng Pilipinas for Miss Universe 2025. Walang iba kundi si Maria Atisa Manalo mula sa first hot picks ng Miss Universe Philippines updates. At narito ang first official hot picks for Miss Universe 2025. For top 13 to top 20 hot picks, we have number 20 Zambia, 19 Iceland, 13 Bulgaria, 17 Curacao, 16 Zimbabwe, 15 Belize, number 14 Guatemala, and 13 Czech Republic. And now for number 6 spot to number 12. At number 12 Miss Universe Bolivia, 11 Guadeloupe, number 10 Latina, number 9 Brazil, number 8 Peru, top 7 is Costa Rica, and top 6 Argentina. Now let's move on to our top 5. We have Venezuela at number 4, Cuba, number 3 on the list, Ecuador, number 2 Cote d'Ivoire, and leading and number 1 is Philippines. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the top 20 first official hot picks for Miss Universe 2025 by the pageant of Miss Universe Philippines updates. Who will be the next Miss Universe 2025? Comment down below your favorite Miss Universe candidate and don't forget to like and subscribe for us to give you more updates. This is Nell 2204, your pageant blogger host. Thank you so much for watching.